Right, so I'm here in a hotel room in Barcelona for MWC, and I have right here in my hand the brand new Realme GT2 Pro, and I'm going to try and tell you all the information, all you need to know in just 1 minute. Right, so firstly, I actually unboxed this phone in my studio before I left. And inside the box you get the phone, a case, a charger and charging cable. And this uses 65 watt Superdart Charge technology and charges a 5000 mAh battery. And Realme also sent across this mascot, and I think it's Dotty's new best friend. Now this phone was once again made in collaboration with famous designer Naoto Fukasawa and has this gorgeous, almost leather feel and texture to it, and apparently replicates the pattern of paper-based products. At the top left-hand side we have the camera array, which includes a 50 megapixel main camera, a world's first 150 degree ultra wide angle lens, so super wide for much more in the scene, and a 40 times ultra macro lens. If we flip the phone over, we have another world's first, in the form of a 2K flat AMOLED display with LTPO 2.0 technology, so adaptive from 1 to 120 Hz, a whopping 1400 nits peak brightness, and a PPI density of 525. Now this thing is not only just good looking, but it also packs a punch with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip and 12GB of RAM, which can be upped to 19 using RAM expansion. The software is Android 12 with Realme UI 3.0 over the top, and we have dual stereo speakers. All in all, it looks a cracking phone. I've been using it for the last few days. More content to come for sure. Stay tuned, subscribe for that.
Do just what you want.